Hello my friends, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious churro cheesecake that I know you guys are going to love. It comes out delicious, amazing, and perfect for an amazing dessert. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Are the ingredients. I have vanilla paste. If you don't have vanilla paste, you could replace it with vanilla extract, 2 cream cheese, 1 egg, granulated sugar, sour cream, cinnamon in powder, and 2 rows of croissants. This is everything we need to make this amazing and delicious dessert, churro cheesecake. So let's get started. I want to start here first with the room temperature cream cheese. I took out the cream cheese about 2 hours before making this amazing recipe. I am going to cream the cream cheese very good for just a couple minutes, and then I am going to add the sour cream. I am going to incorporate it completely into the cream cheese and get it nice and fluffy. Once that's done, I am going to add the room temperature egg. Remember to always take your egg out at least 1 hour before making this recipe, so it is at room temperature. Once this is nice and incorporated, I am going to clean the bowl from the sides, making sure that everything is incorporated, even in the middle and the way on the bottom of this dish. I want to make sure that all the cream cheese and the rest of the ingredients are nice incorporated. Now I'm ready to add the granulated sugar, and I am going to incorporate it. It really doesn't take too long to make this amazing recipe. I'm adding the vanilla paste. If you don't have vanilla paste, you could add vanilla extract. But believe me, the vanilla paste really gives it an amazing flavor. You could really see the little specks of the vanilla bean, and the aroma and the smell that it releases, just amazing. I'm cleaning my bowl one more time, and let me show you how creamy this mixture is. Always get all your ingredients to room temperature so that there is no lumps and it's nice and smooth, nice and fluffy. Look at this. If you come closer, you could see the vanilla bean seeds just right there. This smell is just amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put it aside, and I'm gonna start opening the croissants. Make sure that you take the paper off and then dab it or hit it a little bit on your countertop so you don't get cut. Once you open, get all the dough out. Be prepared. Start unfolding it slowly so you don't pull it apart and you don't tear it. So just start unfolding it a little bit at a time. Make sure that you have your baking dish right there so you could start adding it way on the bottom of your baking dish. You don't need to add any grease on your baking dish, just as is. I have the 1 cup of granulated sugar. I am going to incorporate the cinnamon powder. Once everything is incorporated, I'm going to add just a little bit on the bottom, covering just a small little coat of the granulated sugar and the cinnamon. You want to make sure that all this is covered so that you really get that amazing taste of the churro cheesecake, the cinnamon and the sugar. I'm going to add all the mixture in the middle, and then I'm just going to go ahead and making sure that I cover all the dough from the bottom. You don't want to push it in. You just want to rub it slowly right on the top. Once this is done, I'm going to go ahead and open the other package of the dough. Just like that. I'm going to open it, and very carefully I'm going to just lay it on the top. You don't want to press it down. You just want to lay it on the top and then add the rest of the cinnamon and the sugar. Just add it and cover every corner of the dough. Once this is done, make sure that you have your oven already preheated to 350 Fahrenheit. You are going to put it in the oven for 35 minutes. Do not open the oven door. Leave it as is. Put it in there for 35 minutes, and when you come back and you take it out, it's going to smell amazing. I am going to put it inside, and then I'll see you back in 35 minutes when this is completely done. This is done. It smells amazing. I am using my outdoor kitchen, and now I'm going to let it rest for at least 20 minutes. You don't want to dig into it or else it's going to fall apart. Just let it rest for at least 20 minutes. If you want, you could put it in the refrigerator and then bring it out, and it's going to be nice and firm. Now 20 minutes have passed, and now I'm ready to start cutting and slicing the churro cheesecake. The top portion is nice and crispy, and even the bottom portion feels, when I'm cutting into it, nice and crispy. The smell is amazing. And now I am ready to get one of those pieces out. Remember, we didn't put any grease on the baking dish. You really don't need it. And now I'm ready to reveal this amazing churro cheesecake. Look at this. This looks amazing. I am going to add some decoration. As I call it, cajeta o dulce de leche. I'm going to add just a little bit on the top, and I am going to add about 3 pieces of marshmallow. Look at this. This is just the decoration. If you don't want to add no dulce de leche, then just add a little bit of marshmallow, and this is just perfect with a very nice cold glass of milk. Perfection made at home. I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in a little bit. I can't wait to enjoy it. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing churro cheesecake. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. I added some cajeta right on the top and some marshmallows, but let's see how this came out. It's really creamy, really nice and crispy from the outside and the bottom. Excuse me. Perfection made at home. And with a nice and cold meal, perfection. I hope, my friends, you give it a try. You make this amazing churro cheesecake at home. Very, very easy to prepare, and it comes out amazing. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of my family. Like, subscribe, and share. And of course, I will stay enjoying this amazing churro cheesecake. See you next time with an amazing recipe. Bye-bye.